Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 201. Most insurance companies have what is termed the bonus year of the company, and some declare an interim bonus. First off, a quinquennial valuation is taken by life offices when bonuses are declared and provisions made for shareholders' dividends where the office is a proprietary one. Full stop. It is true that the holders of life policies payable with bonus pay a higher premium than the holders of life insurance policies payable without bonus, but it is not correct to assume that the holders of bonus policies merely receive back in the form of bonus the excess premiums paid to the life insurance company. Full stop. If a life office could predict exactly its future mortality experience, rates of interest, realizable, and rates of expense, it could fix its premiums so that it would show neither profit nor loss. Full stop. One of the most attractive features of life insurance is its simplicity. Full stop. There are no legal costs or charges to be faced, there are no trying and complicated investigations to be made, requiring the skill and experience on the part of the principal personally or by deputy, and the business of obtaining a life policy can be completed in the course of a very few hours, without incurring a single farthing of unproductive expense. Full stop.